This is my next video on the topic of public corporation, which is also known as statutory corporation. So today we will be discussing about its introduction as well as the features of public corporation. So what all it is known as public corporation, as it is also the one of the part of the types of public sector enterprises. Public corporation is a corporation which is amended or which is formed by a special act, that is under the central or the state legislature act, and it is a separate body corporate, which means it is a different body corporate which is enacted by the act which is being done or passed in the parliament. It is fully financed by the government, which means the public corporation is financed by the government itself. Let us take the example Air India, State Bank of India, LIC, the particular Food Corporation of India, Oil and Natural Gas, and there are many more public corporations in India which is totally financed by the government and are being run only formed when the parliament pass some act, that is public corporation legislature center or state legislature act. So what are the basically features of this public corporation? Point number one is created. As we have discussed earlier, that it is how it is created. It is created by a separate or special act of parliament which is passed in the central or the state legislature when it is enforced or which is passed in the parliament. जब वो parliament में pass होता है act, उसके बाद में central state legislature में mention होता है, तभी ये create होती है public corporations. Second point is control. Who control this public corporation? It is totally controlled by the central or the state government, which means where the public corporation belongs, it is being totally controlled by that particular center as well as the state government. Point number three is powers, which means the powers, the objectives, even though the limitations of this public corporation are totally mentioned in the act, which is being present in the particular parliamentary act, which is being present. Point number four is separate legal entity. Yes, students, it has a separate legal entity. It is not same as department undertaking. Separate legal entity means, which means this requires a particular registration which is being, we have discussed earlier, which is being performed or formed by when the particular act, जो एक्ट है सेंट्रल स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर का एक्ट है, वो जब पास होता है पार्लियामेंट में, उसी के बाद में ये अपनी खुद की एंटिटी बना सकता है. पॉइंट नंबर 5 इज मैनेज्ड. ऑल द पब्लिक कॉर्पोरेशंस आर मैनेज्ड बाय द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. अलग से डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं एंड ऑल द डायरेक्टर्स आर बीइंग नॉमिनेटेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट इटसेल्फ. गवर्नमेंट ही इनको नॉमिनेट करती है, गवर्नमेंट ही सारे के सारे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स को लेके आती है ताकि ये पब्लिक कॉर्पोरेशंस को मैनेज कर सके, कंट्रोल कर सके, स्मूथली रन कर सके. Point number 6 is these all public corporations have their own rules, regulations regarding the recruitment. कौन कौन से पर्टिकुलर पर्सन्स को इनको जॉब पे रखना है, उनकी सैलरी कितनी होगी, ये सारा कौन डिसीजन लेगा? दीज द पब्लिक कॉर्पोरेशन इटसेल्फ. गवर्नमेंट इसमें इनटेक सारा का सारा पब्लिक कॉर्पोरेशन को खुद को दे देता है, so that they know that what are the qualification, what are the requirement of the particular person to recruit, ताकि उनको वो ला सके, कंपनी में रख सके. They are free from political interference. As in the case of department undertaking, there was political interference, but in public corporation, the interference of the political parties are quite less, which means they can increase their efficiency. ये अपना काम ज़्यादा better कर सकते हैं. Point number 8 is service, which means what is the main motive? The main motive is to serve the public. लोगों की सेवा करना, लोगों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सर्विस प्रोवाइड करना, so that they feel good in the particular field they are entering into. And the last point is accountable. ये answerable कैसे हैं? They are answerable in the parliament. सारे की सारी parliament में discussions in public corporation की होती हैं, and they even though they are answerable, and they used to submit all the annual reports of their working in the parliament, ताकि ये सारी चीज़ बता सके that the year end or the total year what they have worked, what were the things they need to do. So students, this was a topic regarding public corporation introduction as well as its features. Do visit my next video on the further topic of public corporation. Thank you so much.